For real. Like you say, bro. Fuck that bitch. When woman like bro say, you know what I'm saying? That pop ass girl can't do shit. We can't show up with nothing on that. We can't show up with that. We can show up with that. You gonna touch that? You can't touch that,
Can't
bitch.
get that,
You
bitch.
scared of this?
Can't get
I
that,
know,
that.
right? What you gonna do with this?
Can't do nothing with this.
Scared for when you bitch ass niggas. I always tell you, boy, we kill you niggas alive. You fuck with us, you die.
Niggas,
You
bro.
die, man. That's what I'm saying. Fuck a nigga, but why is you looking at us?
Did you see these homos?
I swear to God, these niggas is straight fags, bro. Why is you looking at us?
They gay, bro. Y'all,
Why,
hey, bro.
Why is you looking at my leg? Hey, fool, I think a nigga made a gay comment. He made a gay, hold on, give me in the light, boy. You gotta see my face. He made a gay ass comment about me, folks. You could die. Don't do that,
Don't do that, man. Please.
You could die.
Kids, we not kids.
We're
man.
not kids,
Don't
folks.
do that, man.
I'm a shorty, folks.
Don't
And,
do
and hold on, folks. You supposed to be looking at bitches. Why is you staring at a nigga, folks? Hey, you got the keys, bro? You looking at a man, folks. Throw that gay shit, man. So shit popped up quick, man.
Fuck the kid right now, bro.
Hey, man, we'll be back, man.